Hey Blake, can you show everybody how you can roll over? Can you show everybody how you can roll over? Are you going to be shy now? There he goes. Can you roll all the way over? And lift up your head? There you go, look at you! It's hard work, isn't it?
Oh!
Look, baby Blake's on a video. He rolls over so quickly now, and he loves to look around. His neck must be getting so strong. And you drool a lot. Such a happy guy. You see the video? Do you want to get in the video?
Okay.
Okay, go lay down next to baby Blake. Go lay down next to him. Oh, he's smiling. Can you go pat his back and say, good job? Can you go pat his back?
This one.
Say hi.